In question 14, you're asked to convert the data, that's the area of landmass for each continent, into degrees, and then convert that to a sector graph. Now, these are given in percentages, so what we've got to do here is to divide each of those figures by 100 and then times them by the 360 degrees. I'll just work the first couple. So for Asia, 30 divided by 100 and then times 360 gives me a total of 108 degrees. For Africa, 20 divided by 100, converting it to a decimal from the percentage, times it by 360 in the circle, gives me a total of 72. Now, if you continue to do that down the list, we'll have the following angles. Next step is that you're asked to put this into a sector graph. Now, if you had a look at the beginning of the booklet, you'll see that I've got a picture of a lid jar. Just made sure it's a nice little round lid jar. And what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to draw a circle. It doesn't have to be super accurate, but this just means I've got a definite circle shape. Doesn't even matter if there's a slight dimple in it, it should work quite well. Locate the approximate centre of your circle, and then what we'll be doing in a moment is to use our protractor in order to map out the degrees. So orientate your compass so that the 0 is at 12 o'clock and the 180 at 6 o'clock. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to locate the dot in the middle of my circle at the crosshairs, and then I'm going to go around to around about 108 degrees and put a little dot. And I'll arc to 12 and then map out, drawing a line, not all the way to the dot I drew there. And that's for Asia. Now what I'm then going to do, I'm going to continue around the circle, and I'll start again here at the top and draw in the situation for Africa. So Africa occupies a total of 108 degrees, sorry, 72 degrees. So using the inner circle in this instance, putting a dot there and sketching my line, not all the way out to, but part the way to there for Africa. Now I'm going to continue in the same vein and put in the other continents. So you can see I'm continuing around the circle, about using the inner circle here through to about 43 degrees. Say 25 degrees. And lucky last, one I'll have to map out here, I'll do the last scenario. So I've got Europe, I've got Antarctica to go, 32 degrees there. And Australia. Now if I've done this accurately, Australia will be rough in the order of 22 degrees, a little bit out, but not too bad, all things considered. So the lid and protractor are the way to go. Please make sure that you align your protractor carefully. Start the 12 o'clock position. You can either go around clockwise, anti-clockwise, etc. I've known some students to add on, say if I'd done Asia that way, adding on the next number of degrees and so on.